everybody. It's about 8 a.m. on a Sunday, and today we're trying to make it to Runday Sunday. So starts at 10, gates are open. So right now I woke up early at like 7 and the weather seems like it's gonna be decent. So we're gonna try and make it. So it doesn't start till 10, which means I gotta leave by about 9 to make it there when gates open. The weather looks good right now. It's bright. So hop on the truck, hooking it to the trailer, throwing the car in, strapping it down, grabbing a little food, heading out the door. Let's do it. All right, guys, I think I did pretty good. 30 minutes, jack's in, car's in, bike's in. I'm gonna slam this thing shut, go rinse off, because I'm pretty sweaty this morning. It's really humid in the mornings. Go rinse off, throw in a new set of clothes that's dry, go to the gas station, grab some waters, thing of ice, throw it in the cooler, maybe a little food, and then I'm gonna get there. So I got an extra half an hour to play with now. So we are on our way to the track right now, guys. Just headed out. I'm excited because the sky looks pretty clear. I mean, it's kind of a weird, kind of foggy-ish morning up in the sky, but it looks pretty blue. So I'm pretty excited. We're already on the road. It's not even 9 o'clock, so I got time to pull into a Burger King or something, grab some breakfast burritos or something like that, and then continue on. Yeah, we're literally probably gonna grab ice, drinks, some Burger King, and get the hell out of there and get to the track because it is open from 10 until 5 today. Of course, it doesn't get canceled for rain, so obviously we need to grab, food to be there because I didn't bring any with me. But I'm very excited because we might actually get to run today. I got the computer, I got everything, so we're gonna be tuning, guys. We're gonna get it done, and we're gonna dial the car in. I'm gonna be pretty mad if I don't see at least a 13.5 today. So fingers crossed. Let's get it. All right, just got to the track, so it's time to start getting everything unloaded and go get teched in and put a new tune on the car. Go drive around the block and get her done. Hey guys, so try to just do a little bit of a log. So we're checking it out and just gonna change a few things up, but we're looking good. So I think we're ready to go. I think I'm gonna plug her in. We'll do a data log during the run if I can get it to work correctly via the Bluetooth. And yeah, it should be good. Alright, so we're here at the track, guys. We got a bunch of guys here today. We got Watch My Eco, Zach. We got some guys here with a GT that are getting a 18 GT Porta Manifold put on tonight by us. We got Javier here, the BMP tuned car that we raced a little while ago. He basically is the same setup as we have, so he's manual and MPT tuned. He's the one we smoked in the street race the other day. So we're at the track, and I've done one pass so far. It is ridiculously hot today. I'm talking mid-90s. I haven't checked the DA yet, but the car was breaking up on the first pass. I'm hoping we didn't foul a plug. This is kind of what it feels like to me. So I actually forgot my SCTX4, so I swapped over all the HP tuner stuff, and I didn't set it up quite right when I was going for the log. So I didn't get the MAF logged, and I didn't get our NOx sensors logged, or really anything that I needed. So we're gonna make another pass. I might even go do a little pass on the street to do just a log so we can see what we're doing there and call it good that way. Funny, there will be Cletus running by right here. So, but this is really what we're doing. There goes Cletus. But I just gotta clean it up and we'll make another pass. So far, Zach's run like a 12.0 and Watch My Eco. So he's got, if he can get the 11s today, that'll be awesome.
Zach Allport in the EcoBoost 4-cylinder Mustang and the Tower site. The Budweiser site this time is Gavin Blaylock. Bowlick of Lakewood, and the
guys, so that pass was way better. Went and changed a few things, changed the tire size on the car to what it actually is. That definitely helped with the shift points, so that got fixed. It's just hot out. I mean, we ran a 13.87, 100 flat basically, so it's pretty rough. It's hot out here today. The gears are just killing us, honestly. Long tubes and 273s are just a terrible idea, so we'll have to keep working on stuff and see where it goes. Alright guys, so technically we lost to the 2-valve. I got treed again, which is okay. I really care more about the time than I do beating somebody. We got to dial this sucker in. So that was another 13.85, which I'm pretty happy with. It is just so hot, and we actually got we got 2 more mile/hour out of it that time, which is just crazy to me. But our 60 foot is terrible. We're over 2.2. So the 60 foot is where we got to improve. And where we're going to really pick that up is going to be on the gear set. When we do the gears, it's going to help so much. All right, guys, we're going against 5.0. It's going to be terrible. He's going to be right over there. We're just going for a good clean pass. A 14.0, guys. I was manually shifting it and I definitely let it rev out too far, so we definitely hit the limiter. So we lost 0.02 or 0.2 of a second. So, oh well. I think I'm gonna call it a night, call it a day. I'm really hot. I know the guys are dying, so we're gonna pack it up and go on home.